Hello, you are welcome back to my channel. My name still remains Lukman, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to attract favor, blessings and open doors in the new month using bay leaf and garlic. Bay leaf and garlic. Bay leaf is a spice. A lot of people don't really understand what bay leaf is, but bay leaf is a spice, and garlic is also a spice. But apart from the culinary purposes and the medicinal benefits, these two natural ingredients has spiritual benefit. So in this video we are going to be looking at the spiritual benefit of bay leaf and garlic to attract blessing, luck, favor into your life. If you are interested in this, then let's get into it. Okay, you are most welcome. The ingredients we are going to be needing is one, bay leaf. We'll be needing bay leaf, and this is my bay leaf. I've been using this for a while. This is the remaining, and bay leaf is everywhere. It's so cheap to get. Just go to people who sell cooking ingredients like condiments. Go to people, especially in my country, people who sell jollof rice ingredients. Just tell them bay leaf. I don't know the local name. Bay leaf is bay leaf. Almost everybody knows. Even the local women in the market knows bay leaf. You can also get this at the supermarket. If you go to the supermarket, you get it. You can even order it online. Just go online and type bay leaf. You can get it. It is so common and cheap. It is dead cheap. Very, very cheap. So we'll be needing this. We'll also be needing cloves, garlic cloves. Garlic cloves. We'll be needing garlic cloves. So, and the third one is we'll be needing a bottle, something like this. If you can get a glass bottle, fine. But if you cannot, if you can get this is very good. And the bottle must contain water, good water, fresh water. Get fresh water and put. So, how do we prepare it? It is simple. The preparation is simple. Get your bottle with water in it, then add 7 pieces of bay leaf. 7 pieces of bay leaf. 7 pieces. 7 pieces like this. 1, 2, 3 in 7 places. Then add into the bottle. Add into the bottle. Get your garlic cloves. Get your garlic cloves. You count 7 cloves, and the 7 cloves, each one you have to peel. After peeling, there is a covering. You peel the cover, then you put the clove. 1, 2, 3 to 7. You put 7. So you have 7 leaves, 7 bay leaves, and 7 cloves. 7 cloves, and you just bottle it. You cover it. You cover the lid. So what are we going to be doing with it? It is simple. It is straightforward. It has the power to attract positivity to your home. You can use it in your home. You can use it in your office or shop, where if you have a store that you sell, you can use it. It attracts positivity to your home, to your life, and to your business. So you are going to be using this. Once it is like this, once you have the leaf, you have the camphor. You have the cloves, the garlic cloves, 7. You have it in it. Just place at a conspicuous place in your home. You heard me. It is going to be at a conspicuous place in your home. Just place it like this. Nobody can query you for this. It is your life and it is your home. Just place it. This is a natural thing, and you are just using the power of the Almighty, because the Almighty has given all these things some natural power, and all you need to do is you are just using those things for yourself. Because some people will go ahead to start telling me that it is the Almighty that gives power. Yes, Almighty gives power to everything, to all the creatures, to all creatures. The Almighty God gives power because He created everything, both the ones we see and the ones we cannot see. But there are some mysteries that He created with these things that you yourself cannot explain. But those are the mysteries of the Almighty. So you don't go about saying it is not diabolic. We are not giving any incantation. We are not sacrificing any goat or any this. What we are doing is just we are using the natural creation of God to assist ourselves, and that is spirituality. You assist yourself, you benefit yourself and the people around you. So just put this as simple as just place it at a conspicuous place. So in your home. So when is the best time to do this? The best time to do this is the first of every month. If you cannot do it on the first, the first week of that month is actually a new month ritual. You do it because it's going to be in that place for a whole month. You change it at the end of the month. You will place it there. It will be there from the first or the first week till the end of that month. You remove it and change it. It does not take anything from you. Rather, it adds to you. What it does is simple. It attracts good vibes to your home. It attracts positivity to your life. It attracts favor, blessings, uncountable blessings that you cannot count. Blessings will come from different angles that you cannot even imagine, you cannot see. It attracts energy, positive energy, favor, blessing, luck from different corners. It attracts. So that's the good side, and it does not have any bad side. There is no bad side to it. You can do it anytime. Anybody can do it. Apart from doing it at the first month, if you forget something, I've forgotten, you can do it anytime. And if you do it that time, make that time to be your the beginning of your home month. Then so that you make sure you count from make sure it's about 28 days to 30 days, and you change. So once you do it, you leave it for almost a month and you change it. You change it and replace it. Like this is my office, and this is the one I made. You can see it has already changed color. This is the one I made, and definitely at the end of this month I'm going to change it. It has been in my office since the beginning of this month, and at the end of this month I will definitely change it. I also have this in my house and have this in my office. So you can do the same. Just do one, have in your house, then you can have in your office or store. It's a very small thing to do, and it doesn't get better than this. But the continued use of this, you give testimony that it is actually working, because it is working. It has worked. It is working. At least I can testify that this thing works and it is still working. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.